Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a fantastic home listing tour. The property I'm here at today is 5235 Ladera Lane. This is a gorgeous 4-level property located in beautiful Villa Loma neighborhood. You've got the Homestead walking trail directly across the street with easy access to it. You've got beautiful mature trees, phenomenal neighbors. The home is beautiful, beautiful looking, great curb appeal, and some great fantastic mature landscaping. We've got nearly 2,900 square feet of finished living space inside. We've got 4 bedrooms, we've got 3 bathrooms, and a gorgeous, stunning backyard for sure that you got to see to believe. Let's go in and take a closer look. This is 5235 Ladera Lane. Now once inside this beautiful home, again, you've got nearly 2,900 square feet of living space spread amongst a beautiful 4-level open layout. Feels really, really large as you've got extra spaces. As you first walk in, you notice some beautiful laminate wood floors that have been installed throughout much of the property. They're really beautiful, really nicely installed, and look great. You've got a great formal living room when you first enter that leads into a formal dining room. And then you've got a great remodeled kitchen that's open to the family room as well as that dining space. The kitchen's been remodeled with refinished cabinets, beautiful tile countertops. You've got stainless steel appliances, and nice open, lots of natural light, good countertop space, great prep space, lots of countertops, lots of cabinet space. From the kitchen, you've got a great family room that's opened up below it. It's nice, open. It's really the heart of the home here. You've got this fantastic brick wood-burning fireplace behind me here. You've also got a wide open family room that walks out to the backyard. Just off the family room, you've got a huge laundry room. I mean, this is a really, really big laundry room and a great half bath, conveniently updated, really nicely done. Upstairs, you've got 4 bedrooms, which is uncommon in these 4-level layouts to find 4 bedrooms on one level, including the master suite. Master suite has great double closets, and it's also got a fantastic attached bath. The basement is also finished, which gives you some fantastic space to grow from there. So it gives you a great future rec room, storage room, or adding on to a 5th bedroom at some point for sure. I think the backyard is one of the real highlights of this home. The backyard is up elevated over your neighbors, so it feels private. You've got rooftop views and super long views heading east. You've got a chicken coop, you've got a storage shed, you've got beautiful, beautiful mature landscaping, a nice flat backyard, fantastic for dogs, kids, anything like that. But you've got those sweeping, long, gorgeous views. And of course, you've got, again, that Homestead Trail right across the street. This property does come with an attached oversized 2-car garage as well, so it's a nice, good sized garage. And you've also got that convenient location, of course, west of Powers, where you've still got access to all the great shopping along the Powers corridor, but don't have to deal with all the east of Powers traffic. As with all my homes, this property comes with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. So not only do you get a beautiful house that's been gorgeously updated and really well taken care of, but you get the peace of mind that comes with that home warranty as well. If you'd like more information on this property, please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour of 5235 Ladera Lane, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.